Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
The scattered storms blossomed late this afternoon. A few trees knocked down just north of Roberts in southern Henderson County, and there's been some flash flooding in southern Hamilton County, Illinois this evening. All of this around Evansville, but Evansville once again missed out on the rain. But we have a better chance later tonight through the morning hours tomorrow, since we need the rain. And then once we get into tomorrow afternoon, those rain chances will be diminishing. But the second hottest day of the year, low to mid 90s today, 96 in Evansville. That was the hot spot. Tomorrow will not be as hot, but it will be very humid until the cold front comes through in the afternoon. And that will deliver a one-day shot of tolerably lower humidity for Sunday before it rises once again starting on Monday. Well, live first warning Doppler, just false returns here. Cluster of storms continues over southern Hamilton County, far western edge of the tri-state. Very electrical and a lot of heavy rain. There was actually a water rescue this evening in southern Hamilton County, but these appear to be drifting more to the west. These storms in St. Louis kind of drifting up to the northeast, but in Evansville, you may have seen all this lightning in the distance, but it is not moving our way. If anything, this storm is kind of building back to the west, but there's more energy on the way for the overnight hours. Here's where the rain fell late this afternoon. That thunderstorm over southern Henderson County dropped nearly an inch of rain, if not more, in that Roberts area where they had a little bit of wind damage, and all the way down into western Ohio County, northwestern Warwick County. But the bullseye, the jackpot today, was in western White County, where they needed the rain between Enfield and Bingham Station there. Looks like about 3.3 inches estimated by our first warning Doppler system, with some more on the way. Watch the clouds build this afternoon, and then watch the storm there on the right-hand side of your screen. That's that nearly stationary storm that formed, there it is, over White County, just sat there and built westward into Hamilton County. And right now we're still getting some lightning off in the distance on our Superior Ag Tower camera, looking off to the west. And within the past hour, the temperature has actually jumped a couple of degrees. We were really cooled off by those storms late this afternoon. We're now up to 80, a muggy dew point of 67 with a light south wind at 3. We're running at about 75 to 80. Overnight lows will be about 70 to 75 degrees. So these storms kind of forming on a weak boundary in the area, but more upper level energy is coming in from the west. The main wave of severe storms is diving into northern Arkansas. We don't have to worry about that, but what's pushing into the Mississippi River area, that energy is going to continue eastward, and the Storm Prediction Center is maintaining a marginal level 1 threat for isolated damaging wind and hail over southern Illinois. Everything should be weakening as it moves on in. And you can see tomorrow, as things re-intensify, the severe weather threat should be setting up east of the tri-state. And by that point, we'll be losing the energy here in our area for anything severe. So Future Tracker updated model around 3 a.m. Here comes the wave up from the southwest, and it does look pretty strong here at 6 a.m. There could be certainly some small hail, gusty winds, and quite a bit of lightning to start the day tomorrow. And then that quickly exits to the northeast. Sun comes out and things quiet down for the afternoon, but the cold front doesn't come through until mid-afternoon, so we could see a few more showers and thunder showers, especially south and east of Evansville. It'll be very humid ahead of that front, and depending on how quickly the sun comes out, highs generally 85 to 90, maybe some low 90s down to the southwest. Much less humid air begins to work in tomorrow night, and especially on Sunday, but so does more smoke from the Canadian wildfires. We've got an air quality alert for Sunday, so a hazy sky, low 90s, but tolerable humidity. Few showers and thunder showers coming in Sunday night into early Monday, and this will be the start of another unsettled, hot and humid weather pattern for much of next week. So overnight, another wave of scattered storms, mainly after 3 a.m. An isolated severe storm can't be ruled out, mainly west of the Wabash. Wind and hail, the main concern. Warm lows in the low 70s. We'll wake up to those scattered showers and storms. They'll be diminishing. We'll see some clearing with just a few thunder showers in the afternoon. Not as hot, but very humid, generally 85 to 90. Much less humid air Sunday, but a little hotter at 93, and kind of that smoky haze out there. And then more scattered showers and thunderstorms for next week, seasonably hot and humid. Best chance of rain setting up for late Monday and especially Tuesday night into Wednesday morning.
Thank you, Wayne. Still ahead.